Long time no see. But on some good news, BPI lowers their interbank transfer fees from 25 pesos to 10 pesos. Pag-usapan natin yan. So BPI's reduction of InstaPay fund transfers actually started last March 7 pa, and it will last until May 31 of this year. So this initiative actually came about after BPI pulled out its Load e-wallet feature for GCash and Maya users. According to BPI, this initiative is in line with BSP's goal of furthering financial inclusion through digital technologies. However, given kasi na temporary lang tong initiative na to, mapapaisip ka kung mainly transitory period lang ba talaga to para sa mga users dati ng Load e-wallet feature, or if it is part of a bigger strategy, diba? Na kung iisipin mo ay baka eventually ang long-term goal ay to pull the users to utilizing the BPI Vibe app, which currently does not charge any transfer fees, diba? When you're doing the transactions through the Vibe app. As of now, however, masyado pa talagang maaga to determine where BPI wants to go with this initiative. At least, what we know now is that, congrats! Makakatipid ka ng 15 pesos per transfer kasi from 25 pesos, 10 pesos na lang babayaran mo per transfer ngayon kung BPI user ka. So, go lang ng go. And of course, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and always, always do your own research for your own peace of mind. Yun lamang. Salamat!